For our first country, we selected South Africa. South Africa is at the moment suffering from a severe water crisis. I'm currently walking at the Theewaterskloof Dam, the main dam supplying water to the Western Cape. Water levels dropped here to approximately 10%. So if we want to find a sustainable solution for this, we have to look at our eating behavior. So for our first climate diet dish, I present to you the lamb bunny. This lamb bunny consumes 10,000 liters of water and produces only the meat 45 kilograms of CO2. So let's do something about it. Lapo, over to you.
Thank you, Ruben. My name is Lapo Magni and I'm a chef in Cape Town. And today I'm in this beautiful yet scary place to teach you a climate-friendly diet and a take on the iconic South African bunny chow. By doing so, we've decided to replace some of the ingredients of the original recipe to make it more water sensitive, as we are in a place that needs more water to sustain itself. So the classic lamb bunny chow turns into a vegan bunny chow. And what we did, we used instead chickpeas, green beans and cauliflower as main vegetable in the dish. Those will provide enough protein and enough nutritional value to give you a wholesome and replenishing meal.